morning from Grand Family Farm. Today is Sunday and it's pretty out here, but the wind is blowing. It's supposed to be really hot today. Anyway, down here milking Bella with our new milking machine. I'm going to change the water here. Shut it off last night. Started again today. That way it doesn't run all night. Anyway, I think Doc's gonna come over. I might do a few projects. Not for sure yet. But of course I'm always doing something here. Our neighbor Steve gave us a piece of flat bar. And we're gonna see about chopping it down and changing the hitches on the wobbly train here. So it's not wobbly anymore. You kind of like a lawn tractor hitch. So that's the idea. We might have just to rig something for now. I'm not using this for the kids on 4th of July if we have any kids show up. So take it up to the shop and we'll see if we can't do some repairs. Come down here and feed the barn animals. Make sure they got plenty of water. All the hens gathered around our water cooler. Okay, the water dish. Everybody's been fed and watered. Little pigs right here. These grazers, they like to be washed down with water. And so do the parents. Harold, he's a commercial type of pig. Several different breeds. Hi, Harold. And he don't like having water put on him. He likes the mud. His little friend here is the daughter of the pigs next door, and yeah, she's a grazer and she likes water too. Now Sally, she's a labradoodle and she loves the water. Our new auger bit came, and it's bigger than the old one. So hopefully it works as well. This little one here we bent in the middle of it. I got hooked up with a walnut tree root. So when we get some time and it's not so hot out, we'll try it out. Also, my grandson came to see me. He hasn't woke up yet. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Come on, wake up, buddy. Let's go play. We're always making the seat hole bigger in the wobbly car. I was going to try to modify a bigger barrel to replace that little one for the rear of the wobbly train. So I was trying to follow the pattern of the smaller one and adapt it up to the bigger one so I fit bigger people on a wobbly train. Down here, milking Bella, Lisa is. I'm giving the pigs some grain. We've all got the grain and they're happy for now. The goats are crying about something. Well, we're finished for the day down here at the barn with the animals. Charlie's still working on the wobbly train. We're just trying to rebuild it so it doesn't wobble anymore. So it'll be our farm train. It's adding a bigger car to the rear, and we'll be modifying hitches hopefully this week. We'll see how that goes. modified the caboose part of the wobbly train, our farm train. Added a bigger barrel, and now he's trying to work out the kinks for the steering on the back and the brakes. They're not working quite right. Alright, we're going to test the caboose to see how it holds up under extreme pressure. There we go. We're going to crash. Don't watch where I'm going. It's over here. We'll see if they work or not. On the barn. The test went well. Charlie fits in this barrel a lot better than the little ones. You still got to round it out a little bit. A few more modifications. Work on fixing the brake. And we'll probably try to straighten this handle. That's the way it came. It's kind of off to one side. But it tests out pretty good other than that. It follows. Of course, we only had that one car. We didn't have the rest of these. We're going to modify these hitches, hopefully, so this will just pull straight behind the lawnmower. I hope you had a great Sunday. We did. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.